Wego is a 110cc scooter offered by TVS. This scooter stands tall and lean with no bulk in its design. The scooter is powered by a 109cc single-cylinder engine that churns out 8 bhp at 7500 rpm and 8 Nm of torque at 5500 rpm. Wego gets an optional 220mm front disc brake and a 120mm drum brake for the rear wheel. We bring you the list of shortlisted accessories for your TVS Wego, which will not only enhance its look but also keep it safeguarded. Floor mat black Wego. This will cost you Rs 319. Floor mat silver oak for your Wego. This matte silver oak floor mat will cost you Rs 350. Comfortable seat cover for your Wego. Branded TVS seat cover for Rs 225. Wego Kit scooter guard. This will protect you from any external damage. This will cost you Rs 1660. Retro Fitment Kit. This will add value to your TVS Wego. This will cost you Rs 10,799. Footrest Assy Pillion for your Wego. This footrest from branded TVS. This will cost you Rs 569. And prop stand comb for Wego. This will cost you Rs 99. So guys, these are some of the branded accessories for your TVS Wego. Do let us know in the comment section if you want to know about any other accessory, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel Indian Drives.